Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove Google Assistant or Bixby or Gemini from the power button on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So if you're like me and you are pretty annoyed that you no longer can actually power off your phone, but instead some random AI will now turn on, and if I stop talking, then the AI will talk.
To turn off your device, press the
which
power and volume up button.
Which can be pretty annoying. So in order to actually change it, we simply go to settings. Here we want to scroll all the way down and click Advanced Features. Here you click Side button, and as you can see, long press will get ourselves a digital assistant. So if we want to turn it off, we simply click Power Off menu. And now, just like the old times, if we press the power button, options for turning off your phone will show up. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.